going to show you how I made my simple operating system in Visual Basic 6. I just made single programs differently, then I came and combined them together. So I came up with an operating system, and I would wish that you could have a look at it. Send me comments, send me questions, anything you need to do. If you need help to do with coding, you can send me an email or your project. I can help you debug it, help you put in some codes, and I can send you back. We're going to start here. I started with this one, but it failed me, so I made another one. And let me show you. Yeah, I started my Visual Basic. Here are the forms. You can see they are, but still, though there's only one program that is still having a bug that I need to deal with. Here I start with the user. To log in. So when you come here, this program here is having a bug. I'm not yet finished it, so I'm sorry it won't work the messenger, but I'm going to show you in my next video. I'm going to make a messenger that you can use to chat with your friends, or maybe on the network, not using the internet, but there's that one also I can make using the internet. I'm going to start with the clock. I think you can see it here if possible. Here it shows how it is. Let me make it visible for you. Sorry, you cannot see it. I'm going to make this is a calculator. There is, you can add, subtract, divide, multiply, do whatever you see. The speaking machine. Hello, I wish it could record. Oh, let me see if it can. I don't know whether you've heard it, whatever, but I don't know whether it has recorded the voice, but I wish you could hear it. There is also, I'm going to show you the engineers use this one for making their stuff, hatching and shading, and even artists. This is print preview on this keyboard. There's a button that's called print preview, and you press down Ctrl plus print preview to print the screen. Don't mind about that, but there is also, you see it has printed even the time and everything, but that's not the problem. There are those people who web page makers, those who want to transfer files to the internet to host websites. They're using the FTP, file transfer protocol. You have to enter here the Moscom, you have to enter here the server name, your username, and the password. This is just an example, it's not the real one, so it will try to connect, and if your program is right, it will connect. Yeah. Let us wait a few minutes. It's trying to transfer my program to the internet, but it won't, because I'm just using as an example. But yeah, see, internet connect error, close connection and session. Yeah. When you come to, I think you're finished here, I'll come to the internet side. I created my own CyberCafe. Those people who uses the CyberCafe, the timer in the internet, you can use this one as a timer for your clients. Those people who are using the internet cafe, you can log in the password and go to Facebook. There is also this one, is like a browser, Google. I made it like a Google browser. .com. Let us try to search for it. Let's see, the mouse is busy. It brings there. You type in Yahoo Mail. brings you the details. You can see there is also an email. You can send an email. It connects to the DSF. You can type in your email. Subject. Program is attempting the following email message on your behalf. Would you like to send the message? Say send. If you don't want message, send successful. Then okay, you close. This one is a timer. I wanted it to be like a timer, but I'm going to make also it in the next. I've not yet connected it to this button. 3D effects. I was very quick. I was in a hurry, you know, such kind of things. I think you can see that's how it works. 3D effects. If you want to change the font of maybe your work, maybe you've typed, there are a lot of fonts around. Copper black, like that. There are many. You can select any that you want. You can come those people, you enter the loan amount, interest rate, duration has been there, then you show monthly payments in dollars, whatever, or in Kenya shillings. The control panel, if you want to go to the control panel, you can run the program. You see, it takes you to the control panel. You can go back, you see everything. You can go to the inside of the program. There's even a start button. If you want to start, you can open the start button. You can go to the documents and have a look at everything that you want to see. Everything that is in the start button. You can also go to the games. You start playing. This one. It blocks here. This is a draw. You play like that, and this one wins. You see, videos. I don't know whether I've showed you, but this is how you can play that one. Alright, you can see as it is. You can check. That is how everything is. That's video. The scoreboard. Manchester United has scored. You can say one. If Arsenal has scored, you can also say goal. That's the game is done. Manchester is ahead. Arsenal like that. If it is a half. Like that, it shows okay everything how it is. As a scoreboard, if you want to show it on the screen. HTML creator, web designers, you can change the object interface to a source code like that one. You can convert. It's like a simple software that can convert for you the colors into codes. You can help you change the colors into a code. Yeah, so that is how it is. Anything that I've not showed you, please, maybe you'd like to write for me a comment. Any comments to rockant@live.com. Or if you want to have any question concerning your project, you need any codes, you can also call me on +254 719 106 539. This was my simple operating system in Visual Basic. Though it was not all that perfect. If you have anything to add on my project, you can just call me, write me an email, or those who are on Facebook, just search for that email address you will find on Facebook. Those on YouTube, Twitter, you can just search for me and you can find me. I can just invite you. When you write me a message, I'll get back to you. Thank you. Sorry, I'll have to go. My time is up. Bye. But before I go, this is how my program exits out. When you click at exit, it exits. And you stop. And you stop. You stop. Goodbye. Love you.